Ready? Start. It appears that after hearing the arguments of learned counsel for the parties, the learned tribunal came to the conclusion that the incident took place due to rash and negligent driving of DCM truck bearing registration number UP 7893907, and in the said accident the deceased had received serious injuries and due to that he died. Full stop. The tribunal further came to the conclusion that at the time of accident the offending vehicle was insured with the United India Insurance Company Limited and the policy was valid on the date of accident. Full stop. The tribunal had also found that at the relevant time all the papers relating to offending vehicle, driving license of the driver, registration certificate, permit and fitness certificate extra are valid and effective. Full stop. Thus, the insurance company is liable to indemnify the owner. Full stop. The learned tribunal, after discussing the materials available on the record, further came to the conclusion that the claimants are entitled to receive compensation to the tune of rupees 16,000 with 6% interest. Full stop. Against the aforesaid finding by which learned tribunal assessed the compensation, this appeal filed by the claimants and appellant further prayed for enhancement for the compensation. Full stop. It is submitted by Shri Vidyakant Shukla, the learned counsel for the appellants, that the learned tribunal while assessing the compensation had deducted 1/3 amount towards the personal expenses of the deceased. Full stop. It is submitted that in the instant case on the date of filing of claim application as well as on the date of passing of judgment, altogether 5 persons were dependent upon the deceased. Full stop. Thus, as per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Sarla Verma and other versus Delhi Transport Corporation and another reported in 6 SCC 121, only 1/4 amount is liable to be deducted from the total income of the deceased towards personal expenses. Full stop. It is then submitted that the learned tribunal while assessing the compensation had arbitrarily refused to add any amount in the income of the deceased towards future prospect. Full stop. It is submitted that admittedly at the time of accident the deceased was working as animal medical officer under the state government. Full stop. The tribunal assessed the age of the deceased as 48 years. Full stop. Thus, in view of the judgment of the Supreme Court in Sarla Verma, it is imperative for the tribunal to make addition of 30% in the income of the deceased. Full stop.